Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we're gonna do a review and a test on this paper. It's a Koala Sublimation paper. This is for 11 ounce mug. They also have the one for 15 ounce mug. The instructions they have here, it says the temperature needs to be at 401. I'm gonna set up mine at 360 or 80. I'll check right now. The pressure needs to be heavy like it says here, and then the time is 3+. I usually leave it 5 minutes. That's been the best, that I think it works the best for me. You need to keep this in a cool place, and don't take it out of the box, or it comes on this here, on a plastic envelope. Do not take it off the plastic envelope unless you're going to use it. Otherwise, it may scratch, or you may mark the sheets, and all of that is going to transfer into the mugs. For this video, we're going to be using the Koala 11 ounce coffee mug sublimation paper. We're going to need a printer. I use a Sagras and I printed this. A video before this one, I did a Sublimation 101 in which I created this. You can look at the video before this one, or I can put a link right above the screen. We are also going to need heat tape right here. We're going to use the mug that you want to use. I'm debating which one do I want to use, but I have a red, a blue, and this is a magic cup that you put the image, and when they put hot water, you can see the images. And you're going to need a piece of butcher paper. So I already have my image printed, so let's move over to the heat press. And okay, so here we are ready to press our mug. We need to make sure that the surface of our mug is clean. You can either clean it with a little bit of water or clean it with a little bit of alcohol. It's to your preference. So we're going to go ahead and put the image here and wrap it around our mug. Make it nice and even. So here we go, and then we're going to go ahead and add our tape, just like that. And then I'm going to get my butcher paper, and I'm going to grab it around. I'm just going to go ahead and cut a little bit. It's good to leave it a little long so that you can grab it like this when you take it off. So we're going to go ahead and put our mug inside, and we're going to go ahead and press it. Make sure that it's right in the middle. And there we go. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, it is ready, and it is super hot. So let's go ahead and move back to the table. Okay, here we go. The mug is still a little hot, so I'm going to be using this microfiber rag. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to look at the image and see how good the paper is. So this is the big test. So let me just go ahead and pull the tape up. And then I'm going to be going this way. And let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. My goodness. There you go. If you guys decide that this is too much for you, I have an eBay account and you can go buy them if you want. But this is how it looks. I love this paper. I mean, look at the brightness of the colors. Look at that. And look at the brightness of the image. I think this is, in all the other ones that I have used, I can sincerely, and here's the test, tell you that this is the brightest I have gotten. I'm so amazed with this Koala. sublimation paper. I'm in love. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like the video. If you do, make sure that you subscribe. If you haven't, give me thumbs up. Share it if you would. Other than that, this is all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.